One of the things that makes CapCut to lag is using high resolution at the preview window. What is preview window? The moment you drag a video to the timeline of CapCut, you see the video appear here at this window, right here. This window is what we call the preview window. If you use high resolution here, then you experience lagging when editing your video, especially if you have low CPU. If you click on this place right here, you see different options to choose from. The first one says full quality, high quality, medium quality, and low quality. If you choose full quality and your computer CPU is very low, then you'll be experiencing lagging. So if you choose high quality, you also experience lagging if your computer is slow. That is why for my case I choose medium quality, because I did not have a super fast computer. Or if medium quality still make your video to lag, you can go ahead and choose low quality. So test each and every one here until you see the one that works best for you and for your computer. Regardless of any one you choose, don't worry about the final quality of your video. It won't affect your export video at all. Your original quality will remain the same. All this is just to help you when editing your video. Another thing you want to do is to improve the performance of your CapCut to make it easy for your computer. So to do that, just close this window, then it will take you to this place. Remember, this is your video. Just go to settings right here, click on settings. At the draft tab, you see this option that says cache size. Mine is 223.68 MB. Yours can be 1 gig, 2 gig, 3 gig, 4 gig, or even higher, 6 gig. So you want to hit this delete icon here. It is completely fine, it won't affect anything. Just hit delete, then okay. After that, go to performance tab, then you see this option that says encode and decode. Then you see another one that says interface rendering interface with GPU. Make sure you check these three options to help your computer run CapCut smoothly. After that, it's on save. Next, let's go back to the timeline. Let's click on this video. The final thing we want to do here is to enable ProZ. What is ProZ? ProZ converts your large video into a selected resolution for your computer's hardware to handle it properly. That is what ProZ does. To turn on ProZ, click on any empty space on the timeline like this. Don't click on the video, click on empty space. You can see this option that says modify. If I click on the video, you won't see the option again. So to turn on ProZ, make sure you click on any empty space. Let me click here, I will see it here. If you click on the video, it disappears. If you click here, it appears again. Any empty black space here, if you click on it, you see the option. But if you select the video, you won't see it. So you want to click on any empty space, go to modify, then come to performance tab, then you see the option ProZ. You want to turn it on. Under the resolution section, you see I have already choose 540p. They have two options here, 720p and 540p. I chose the 540p because it works well with my computer. You can also go ahead and try 720p. If not, just stick with 540p. When you have done that, click on save. Alright, so you can see the option here that says ProZ, which means the video has been modified to help my computer's hardware run it smoothly. So you can go ahead to try these three methods, but don't worry too much about ProZ that it will affect your final quality of your video. No, it won't affect anything. ProZ, it just has to do with your video editing. Once you are done, once you click on export, you still get the original quality 1080p. So don't worry too much about having low quality video when you use ProZ. No, just go ahead and use ProZ. You will love it and enjoy editing your video. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos. just like this one, and I will see you in my next video.